Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Zangi Messenger app in 2025. Zangi is often called a great alternative to WhatsApp because it's lightweight, secure, and works even on very low internet speeds. Let's go step by step. First, download and install the Zangi app from the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing Zangi ID or phone number. When you log in, you'll land on the chat screen, which looks familiar if you've used WhatsApp before. This is where all your conversations will appear. To start chatting, tap the new chat icon. Then either select a contact from your phone book or search by Zangi ID. Zangi lets you send text messages, photos, videos, voice notes, and files just like WhatsApp. Tap the attachment icon to share media or the microphone icon to send a quick voice message. For calls, simply open a chat and tap the phone icon for an audio call or the camera icon for a video call. One of the best things about Zangi is that it's optimized for low bandwidth, so even with weak internet, your calls remain clear and stable. You can also create group chats to stay connected with multiple people at once. Just tap New Group, choose your participants, and start chatting together. Another unique feature is Zangi's privacy and data saving mode. Messages are not stored on central servers, which makes it more secure. Plus, it uses less mobile data compared to many other messaging apps. And that's it, you now know the basics of using Zangi Messenger, chatting, calling, sharing files, and creating groups. It's simple, secure, and a powerful WhatsApp alternative for 2025. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.